In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play games without graphics card in Windows 7. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about what options you have to run games if you don't have a dedicated graphics card on a Windows 7 PC. First, something that I need to make very clear is that even though graphics cards will dramatically enhance the performance and visuals that you will get when playing games, they aren't strictly necessary. There's nothing stopping you from trying to launch a game, even graphically demanding titles, and seeing if it works. If it doesn't work, and it crashes or it gives you poor performance, it won't damage your hardware, so you are free to try as many games as you want. And another thing to note is that a lot of games nowadays, even well-praised games like Balatro, The Binding of Isaac, Terraria, Hollow Knight, don't require powerful PCs. They will be able to run even if you don't have a dedicated GPU. So if you are unsure, you can visit a store page for a specific game and look through the system requirements, or look for these on Google. You will notice that under the required and recommended, they will have all of the specs and you can compare it to your PC. Even if you aren't that tech savvy, you can usually make sense of all of these. So for example, memory 4 gigabytes. Most PCs nowadays made within the last 5 years will be equipped with the bare minimum of 8 gigabytes, which means that you have double the recommended amount. Hard disk space, you will most likely have an SSD. Video card, only 256 megabyte of video memory, a dual-core processor. So to keep it simple, modern hardware nowadays, including when you don't have a dedicated GPU, is still strong enough to handle most of these 2D games and games that are not made to be graphically intensive. Now, of course, if you want to play something a little bit more intensive, for example Red Dead Redemption, GTA 5, then you might encounter problems. These games are designed with dedicated GPUs in mind, so if you don't have one, it is going to become a problem. The best course of action to this is to visit a cloud streaming service or a cloud gaming service. You have Xbox Cloud Gaming, you have Amazon Luna, Nvidia GeForce Now, and basically, as long as you have a strong and stable internet connection, you will be able to run the game on one of their computers that is equipped with the dedicated hardware, very good GPUs, and stream it over to your PC. So essentially, you will be playing it over the internet. So this is why you need a stable internet connection. You will have to sign in to use these services, and usually there will be a subscription attached to them, but it is a consideration if you really want to play these titles, but your PC is unable of handling them. I hope I was able to help you on how to play games without graphics card in Windows 7. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.